What's up guys? Today's video I'm gonna show you how I'm editing photos in Lightroom for free. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna do exposure down because this photo is very light, I would say. Something like that. So contrast will be +20. Highlights, we don't need much highlights because we have already something like that. Shadows will be +12. Whites -20. So next thing, I'm gonna go on colors and tint will be +10. Vibrance will be +35. And saturation will be -10. Let's dive in the colors. And saturation I'm gonna make 10. Luminance will be -16, -14. Yeah. So oranges, the luminance will be +10. Saturation will be -12. Sorry, luminance will be +12. Hue will be, let's see, hue will be +24. So yellow will be -22. Saturation +30. Luminance, don't know if we need it. Okay, luminance -30. So this is just beginner, okay? Please don't judge me if I'm doing something wrong because I'm learning as well. So let's dive into green ones. Green ones will be not much because we have a lot of green background. Hue will be -18, I would say. Saturation make 14. We're not gonna make that much because, as you can see, luminance will be -20. So the light blue, I would say, I'm always calling this color light blue. Hue will be -22. Saturation will be -20, and luminance will be -20 as well. Dark blue, let's see, not much, -12. Saturation will be -18. Luminance will be -12. Okay, these two we're not gonna probably make it. I'm gonna try it first. Not much. Okay, yeah. So next things, I'm gonna go on textures. Will be -20. Clarity +20. And these ones I'm not gonna use. So contrast, I have 20. This leaving. Black ones, let's see, -20 as well. So curves, let's do just a little bit here. Yeah, that's it. I think should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna leave like that. Thank you for watching this video and see you at the next one. Bye.